Milton will be coming to life at the end of this month for the Fine Arts Society of Milton's 27th Annual Studio Art Tour. Here with more is the president of the Fine Arts Society, Diana Tuszynski. Hi.
Good morning.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Oh, we're very excited to be here this morning.
Well, tell me a little bit about the Fine Arts Society of Milton.
The Fine Arts Society is a multidisciplinary visual arts organization, and we've been around since 1997. We embrace all sorts of artists, whether that be painters, sculptors, potters, guitar makers, woodworkers, stained glass artists, jewelers, photographers. We love all of the artists, and they're all a part of our member-based organization.
Well, you've got some really beautiful things here, so much to choose from. There's really art for everyone.
There is. If you like paintings, there are artists with different types of mediums. And as you can see here, I've got some small pieces, but there are some very large works that our artists can do. We paint in oil, acrylic, alcohol ink, and oil and cold wax. So there's a lot of different mediums that the artists employ for the painters. And in sculptures, you can see that beautiful vase is a wood sculpture. The beautiful guitar is a custom-made guitar made out of different kinds of woods. On the table, there are some ceramics made into buttons, to bowls for yarn, a little mason bee house that you can put in your garden, and some gorgeous jewelry. I'm wearing the earrings right now.
Oh, those are beautiful.
So this is just a sampling of some of the artists that will be on the tour.
Yeah, now we've got different locations, right? So you kind of have to go from one to the other.
Yes. And
we have a map.
Yes.
Because we're not just guessing.
No. And you can go to our website, which is www.fasm.ca, fasm.ca, and take a look at the map. But we also have brochures which show you a map, and when you open it up, you can see all of the different artists where they are on the tour, and then you can say, oh, I really like this artist at number 8. That's me.
I was going to say, wait a second, you're pointing to yourself there.
And you can go to number 8 and you say, oh, number 9 is really close, and number 10 is really close, but I really like this artist over here. And you can spend the whole weekend going to the different artists in the different areas. This is a very wide tour. It's from Georgetown over to Carlise, up to Eden Mills, and in Killbride in Burlington as well. So you can approach it from different angles. If you're coming from Hamilton, you'll probably want to start on the Carlise side. If you're coming from Burlington, you'd come to our studio at Studio 8. If you're in Georgetown, you'd start over there. And then there are a lot of artists concentrated in Milton.
Let's see the back of your jacket, because it's absolutely beautiful. Did you make this?
I did. So I do custom painting on jackets. And so I've had commissions where artists have said, or rather people have said, oh, I really want a sunflower or something, or I really want maybe my logo on it, and so I'll paint that on there.
That's very cool. Now, how do viewers get involved with the organization if they want to take part, if they're an artist and they want to reach out?
Well, thank you for that. They could go onto our website to see what we're all about and what we have to offer, and they can take a look at our artist directory to see some of the other artists that are on that. That's under the member tab on our website. And we just recently had a studio tour, and a link for all of the beautiful art that was on our juried show is on the website, and the studio tour brochure is on the website. So lots of different ways they can take a look at our workshops. There might be something there that someone would like to take part in. And if they are an artist and want to take part in studio tour, that comes up again in January.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being here. The Studio Art Tour happens September 27th and 28th. It is a self-guided tour, so you're all on your own for this, but this is the 27th year, 37 artists in 21 studio locations. We'll have the information up on our website as well at chch.com. Thanks again.
Thank you very much.